Welcome to Best of Nexus. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling countdown of the top 5 books that promise to turbocharge your financial knowledge. These books aren't just educational. They're also packed with unique aspects, fascinating insights, and life-changing lessons. Let's dive into our extraordinary financial knowledge countdown. Number 5. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Starting our countdown at number 5 is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. What makes this book truly unique is its timeless wisdom, wrapped in ancient Babylonian parables. As you journey through these tales, you'll discover the art of managing money, with key lessons such as start thy purse to fattening, make thy gold multiply, and guard thy treasures from loss. Number 4. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Claiming the number 4 spot is A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. What sets this book apart is its exploration of the concept of efficient markets and its ability to translate complex investment strategies into easily digestible concepts. Malkiel's knack for simplifying the stock market makes this book an extraordinary learning tool. Key takeaways include: market prices reflect all known information. Diversification is key to managing risk and time in the market is more important than timing the market. Number 3. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. At number 3, we have The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. What makes this book exceptional is its hands-on, step-by-step approach to financial transformation. Ramsey's 7-step plan is like a GPS for your financial journey, guiding you through debt elimination and wealth building. Key lessons to look out for: save $1,000 for emergencies, debt snowball method for paying off debts, and live on a budget, and control your money. Number 2. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Securing the second position is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. What's intriguing about this book is how it demystifies the lives of millionaires. It showcases how these individuals accumulate wealth without extravagant lifestyles, offering a unique and realistic perspective on financial success. Key insights include: live below your means, invest wisely, and avoid debt, and financial independence is attainable for anyone. Number 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. What makes this book truly exceptional is Kiyosaki's clever use of storytelling to convey financial wisdom. Through the juxtaposition of his Rich Dad and Poor Dad, he provides a unique and relatable way to understand the mindset and strategies of financial success. Key lessons to glean from the book: assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out, the importance of financial education and work to learn, not to earn. There you have it, our extraordinary countdown of the top 5 books to enhance your financial knowledge, each offering unique elements and invaluable lessons that can change your financial life. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more compelling content.